Hello family friends, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new. My name is David and I'm really caffeinated. I feel really good. So I'm seeing this trend, not really a trend. Is it a trend? I don't even know what trends are. I'm just really dumb. But I saw a lot of people on my subscription box on YouTube posting like new growth in their plants. And I'm like, do people really want to see that? And I saw like people really do want to see, and then I clicked on the video and I was like, wow, I should do one of these videos. So I was gonna bring the plants one by one and show you in person so it looks aesthetically pleasing in the background, because my house and my room is really messy. The lighting is terrible. How am I gonna do that? Because there's a lot of plants that have like a lot of new growth, and I don't want to like move and then put it back. It's too much, y'all. So yes, the floor is kind of messy. Literally my life is a mess right now. Like, I'm literally telling y'all, my life is like a mess and it's just falling apart. I'm trying my best. So please don't judge me on how messy this room is or the house. But yeah, please don't judge me. Okay, let's just get started. I'm talking too much. Alrighty, so here's the mess. I'm not gonna look at the floor. It's really messy. Don't judge me. Okay, so let's like scan the entire room for new growth. So as you guys can see, this Brazil Philodendron is pushing out growth. So let's get a closer look on this girl. And I do have a Butterworks obsession, as you guys can see. They had a summer animal, so I just went crazy. But look at all these new leaves pulling through. Like, isn't that so adorable? Look at this, look at this. A lot of people are like starting to like this plant, and like I'm so happy for her because like her leaves are really stunning, and they're always different, you know? Like, it's like a different pattern. Look at that shiny new leaf. It's always so satisfying looking at new growth unfurl. So shiny. Welcome to the world, girl. Welcome. Okay. I just like slammed it in there. Here is this pothos. And as you guys can see, this is also new growth technical because it's really shiny. And this one too. This one doesn't have any variegation. People said that it reverts, so you know what? Probably it did, but I've never ever seen wet variegation from the oldest leaf. So I don't know if it's just a green pothos, but it's, you know, it's doing good. And over here, as you guys can see, this is, God, look at this, look at this. I always get confused between like the glacier pothos, the pothos enjoy, and all the other ones, but it's a pothos. And people always tell me what it is, but I always forget because you guys, I have a really bad memory. But look at the new leaf, y'all. Ooh, she's giving you a show. Okay, here is a variegated peperonia that I'm pretty sure has new growth because I was looking at it. You see that, like, she's really dusty. But look at that. Oh my God, those are new leaves. I know they are because, like, it's really fresh. Featherleaf Calathea, I don't know what she's doing, but she's doing a-okay. I'm guessing Sansevieria, and the Syngonium. I'm really getting bored of Syngoniums. Like, that is terrible because, like, I was so into them, but, like, you know, I don't know. Here's my neon pothos that I'm sure to see. Isn't that so funny? Whenever I see that, and why is this lotion in here? It's supposed to be up there. Do you see this? The leaf, like, is unfurling. It looks like a sassy leg. Look, there's like a little water droplet. Not sure if it's gonna focus. I don't think it's gonna focus. But it's looking, oh my God, you saw how much water just fell? Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, that's my Saki. But look, it's so cute. Now my Hoya, do y'all see this? Oh my God, look at the new shiny leaf, and look at this little baby. Sometimes it's weird because, like, I mean, this is like a cute little pear. As you guys can see, but I thought that was variegation for a second. I was like, wait, what are you doing? But no, it's just getting a little bit crispy. But look at that, this is a new set. Like Plemy Ashley says, throwing hands. Super cute, but look at this. And then here's my Philodendron Mycans. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of growth right there. She has been, like, you know, doing a pretty good job. Her looks like it's starting to get a little bit smaller. So I really want to put her in a moss pole, but I haven't gone to Home Depot, and even when I do, I just go straight to the plants and I always forget to buy that. It's funny because I literally just spent $181 on a damn application that heaven knows even if I'm gonna get it or not, and I can't even spend a couple dollars to get this girl moss pole so she can thrive. But look at the new leaf, super cute. And this is just throwing like a bunch of stems. She really isn't doing much, but you know she's just doing her thing. So yeah, I guess we can look inside. My lemon philodendron is always doing so good. I just finished cleaning this shelf on Instagram. And at the very top, I need to get to it. But on the bottom, look at my Philodendrons. Y'all, look at that. It is a Philodendrons because this is, I ended up probably getting it from the mother plants. It had like a lot of pups, and I just plucked this one out and I put it in this little pot. And this little guy was really, really small, and I always look at it every single day because I'm always next to it. It's like right next to the bed. And look at that. She's doing so good. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? My potos. This really odd potos. People say it's reverting from the Monjulu potos, but yet again, it has this variegation, and I saw the cutting. I never ever had white variegation, so really, really no. But she's already putting out new growth as well. Let me show y'all. Yes, he's a little baby. Super cute. And that's pretty much it from what I'm seeing. My Dark Mister Palia is doing pretty good as well. At the bottom, we have this junky bookie philodendron that is also pushing out a new leaf. It has a really awkward like pattern the way it's growing. Like it's all facing one direction because I had it against the wall. But over time I do want to like turn it around and see if I can fix it. But super cute, super cute. Oh, let me also show you my begonia. My cat ended up dropping it, so it did a little bit aggressive. But do y'all see this? Look at this new leaf. It was like this, really, really small. And now look at it. Do you guys see this? Like, it's so pretty. This one too. And it's pushing out more growth. I really do want to propagate it. I want to make it more bushy. I really didn't know I was going to like this one a lot more than the other Polka Dot Begonia, which also has a lot of new growth. I'm going to show y'all. So in this shelf, oh, by the way, my Caleto obifolia has been doing really, really good. And this is a new leaf. It just finished unfurling and it's gotten so big. I'm just so excited. My Brazil Philodendron is also doing really, really good. That's literally the mother plant, I mean, the plant. And I'm like training it to trail. And look at this leaf. Stunning. And then look at this, and look at those air roots. Wow. This is my beautiful calathea, and it's unfurling a leaf. It literally looks like a straw, which is kind of funny. And this is my beautiful Polka Dot Begonia. Look at that new leaf right there. Crazy. This is just a new leaf that just finished unfurling. There's one over here that's like hiding with my Chinese Evergreen Silver Bay. Look at that. Stunning. And also my Chinese Evergreen Silver Bay is putting out some fresh growth, as you guys can see. And my Brazil just pushing out a lot. My favorite grow lights are these. I literally have 3 sets, and this is not sponsored. They were not sent to me for free. I just really, really do love these a lot. I always have these in all of my videos linked up below in the description box because they're just my favorite. Look at this neon potos and look at this Brazil. Wow. I'm telling y'all, like, isn't that so stunning? Also, this is new. This is an Asparagus Fern, which is funny because it's not a fern. But this is new growth right here. And then this is my Golden Goddess Philodendron. Look at this new leaf. And then look at this one. This one was just new. It was like basically like this one when I put it at this table, and now it's really open. Look at this one. Look at the new little leaf. My lemon maranta is also doing really, really good. As you guys can see, it has a lot of straws. It has a lot of new growth coming out, and I'm just so happy for her. Like, oh my god, just blessed, just blessed. Look at this one. Stunning. What else? This is literally my favorite table. Like, I just love the way it looks with the grow lights. Just so stunning. Oh, my black ZZ is also pushing out growth, but that's literally been like that when I bought it, so I'm not gonna really include it into the video, even though it's already included. It takes a while for them to like grow, especially when they're on low light. So yeah, and also I read a lot that if it's literally in like low light, it's really bad if you water it, and I'm gonna check on it. I don't want the soil to be moist because it could get root rot. So I need to check on that in a bit. And also, that's my string of hearts. She's just doing her thing. She's been growing since literally forever, and I'm just so happy for her. I was doing a lot of propagations from her in the spring and summer, and I was selling a lot of cuttings, but now I'm gonna give her a break, and I'm just gonna let her to grow as long as she wants to be. And then maybe in the summer again, I will propagate more plants to make another plants, because I really do like the way it looks. Really, really stunning. But that's pretty much all the new growth that we are seeing in the bedroom, except this little small Scindapsus or silver satin potos. Look at that with the new leaf unfurling. Adorable. These, oh look, there's a lot more. This one, girl, like, oh my god. Wow. It has a lot of growth. That's fun. Now let's go to the living room and see what there is on. Well, let's see what they have. Well, I mean, let's see the new growth. Oh my god, I forgot how to speak. So it's really dark, and that's my annoying cat that literally just dropped all of my plants. I need to pick it up in a bit. I had to eat first because I was really hungry. And I'm not gonna look into it. But not much here, to be honest, except my Ciba Blue is doing pretty good as well. This side was bold. I gave it a haircut, and it's, as you guys can see, it's pushing out all these really beautiful leaves. And I just finished watering some plants, bottom watering some plants as well. This one is literally starting to bloom a little bit late, but hey, something is something. This is my strawberry begonia that my chickens literally ate completely. It was so empty. There was no plant at all. And instead of tossing it out, I put it in the living room. And as you guys can see, it's starting to put out more, which is really, really fun. And honestly, I don't know why these lights are not on. My Monstera deliciosa is really putting out some leaves. As you guys can see, look at that fresh growth. Like, wow. And over here, that's literally pretty much it. This is my mini Monstera. The lighting is really bad. Let me turn on that loose. Look at this. Like, wow. Really pretty. She did got really, really damaged in the greenhouse, but she's starting to like bounce back. And look at this. Isn't that so much fun? My kangaroo Fern has been through a lot, but I am not gonna toss it out because I have hope it's gonna bounce back. And look at that. There is new growth pulling through. So I need to clean it out again and give it more time to bounce back. And my sparkling Sarah Agluminia is putting out a new leaf. Look at that. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it on the new growth on my houseplants. And there's a bus pulling up. I think my brothers literally just came in. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because it's just a plant channel and we do a lot of houseplant content over here. And yeah, like I said, thank you so much for watching and joining me on today's upload. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.